To start the video though, I do want to say that I got a lot of things going on with my Civic right now, which is why I haven't really posted any upgrade videos yet. I got the window tint put on, so I'm going to make a video of that coming up. I'm really going to do a video with everything I've done so far all in one video, so that way you guys can watch and not watch what you want. You don't have to sit there for individual videos. But I got the window tint put on. It looks absolutely incredible. So if you don't know anything about window tint, it takes a little while to fully like set and get all the air bubbles out and let the water underneath of it evaporate, and you can't put the windows down for a few days. So I'm just waiting to make a video until all of that's completely set and it looks perfect. So I also got the subwoofer installed, and it sounds absolutely fantastic. The sound system in this car is 450 watts. That one's pushing 1200 peak, which the 450 is peak also. So it sounds absolutely fantastic, but I'll have a video. Oh, that'll be in the video too, and how that's all wired in and set up and everything like that. I have a few extra pieces that most people don't normally put on their aftermarket sound systems, just because it makes it sound a little better, so I'll go over those also. I also received in the mail my K&N Series Typhoon intake, and so I'm going to make a video of the unboxing of that, a review of that, and then there's going to be a separate video on the install of that as well.